Your RimPro-Tec box contains 4 RimPro-Tecs to fit wheels from 10 to 22 inch, a pack of 4 wipes, one for each wheel, and an application tool. All wheels should be clean and dry before application. Use the RimPro-Tec wipes to remove any residue from the wheel and allow to dry. Carefully peel off the backing tape in small sections, as this will stop any accidental adhesion. Choose the location of the wheel rim that the RimPro-Tec is to be applied, making sure this is a flat, undamaged area. Press the RimPro-Tec on the wheel. As you form your wheel size, cut to desired length, ensuring both ends are flush together. Press the RimPro-Tec on the wheel with the application tool. Move the tool over the whole of the RimPro-Tec from start to finish. To change colours, simply remove the inner from the outer base and reinsert the new inner. Ensure the join of the inner is on the opposite side of the wheel from the join of the outer base.